Okay, we are back again in a new video reaction. So please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel in case if you are new. We are going to go to the video sharply because I don't want to waste much time. This is morning, and I want to start with the video of Nwayi Ochat. Reason is because we all have seen the latest, the ongoing saga going on between Nwayi Ochat and Eggman. Eggman made a video where he criticized Nwayi Ochat. Even he called her rather itiborebo, illiterate and drunkard. What did Nwayi Ochat do? Nwayi Ochat is complaining that the money that they are now raising from CRC is not traceable. That the plan was to raise money and support the angel, and they could not. The money is no longer going to the angel because Nwayi Ochat said that now the butcher majana. And our angel is hungry. Our angels are crying. So you know how senseless this woman always sound. But Biafrans are keeping note of the whole thing, and it is no longer something people can say, I don't know what is going on. No, you need to know, because Nwayi Ochat is not hiding her mouth when it comes to this issue of buying people, and the rest of them going on. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, I need your support on this one because this is our backup channel. I need your presence here. Subscribe and subscribe and subscribe. So here there are 2 clips, and remember we are going to bring also the Biafra Unite, his own issue. Now let's hear from Nwayi Ochat. I hope you. No. Somebody asked, did they buy? Let's start from again. Let me start from beginning. Listen. Nwayi Ochat, your turn. Somebody asked, did they buy? So you know this land to leave those foods. From the beginning to the end of that fundraising. As one thing came, because we believe in democracy. This is my new system. Or the system I can't before. Did you hear that? That this is her new system. This is her new system, but they are not no belief for job before. How is it your new system? How? I don't get it. How is it your new system? This is your new system. If it's your new system, it's no longer if you never before, because that's what you said here. Not if you never before. This is what you have been doing before. Meaning that it's not a new system. It's not a new system. It's something that you have been doing before. But sometimes people can say anything and feel that people don't know what they're saying. Yeah, I just want you to let me take it back again, because I just click on something and the whole thing begin to misbehave. Let's start from beginning again so that you can pay attention. Somebody asked, did they buy? Okay. So you know this land to leave those foods. From the beginning to the end of that fundraising. As one day came, because we believe in democracy. This is my new system. Or the system I can't give before. In a minute. I'm not know when he was evil to me for John. Galon would I not mean so safe. You know, and young boys. And I'm good yet. I want know when he thought he would know. He wasn't know that they block from. So I'll get his email. Even to
years. That just will make Papa Ochat. We ready to make because of that information. You say, okay, block me back. That block one.
And I mean, so this short clip, reason why I played it because many of us know that why Ochat and Eggman have unfinished business. That's not a fact. Forget about this cover me, I cover you, scratch my back, I scratch your back that they're doing now. They know themselves. You understand? They know that they have a settled issue. And why Ochat actually believed that he has forgiven her. Eggman is not someone that you can do that kind of paddy with. No, he's very, very mean and deadly human being ever. Why should I say that this is my new system? No, although she even said it, she contradicted herself. She contradicted herself by saying that this is my new system. In the same video, that this is what I've been doing. Totally, that's what I've been doing. And you can't survive with that kind of thing in any organization, in any group. It doesn't work that way. That's a mistake that she's making. But we are not here to correct anybody, but to let everybody know the truth. Now, let me bring to you what this United said. This is what the writer from Fallback Republic mocking for deep because they're not having problem among themselves. This guy, many of you know the guy. He's always on S. He's a promoter of falsehood. Sonak Barawa's student, a very bad student indeed, because he don't even ask questions, but his own is to share, and commit crime. Here you have what they said. Let me see if I can expand this properly, because I think I want people to see it very, very well. Yeah, I think this is the best way to go now. Let me just put it this way. Should I just attach my... Okay, let me just attach my video down here. Now, let's go. You can see here from the screen, breaking, fellow Biafrans, Atan Ndeocho and Nigerian Unite have abandoned the accountability group of coup plotters. The former CRC chairman, Imam Madabo, and Mama Nigeria, aka I don't know, and their group of coup plotters are not doing well at all. Now, this is the video. Listen to what... and that started why it just started by telling you that now somebody they told them that they're no longer supporting anybody. Autopilot movement by fire by force and trying to tag every crime going on to USB and all that. There's a video that I made yesterday. If you don't watch that video, you will not understand what I'm talking about. But you have to start from somewhere. Now let's hear this unite. Listen.
I want
start from here.
Anywhere this platform donate I must know what is going on. I must be sure 100% they got our students. Then we have any corner way. I come out of there. If there's any corner way, once there is any corner way, one day, once you see that, once I see with my own eyes, that then we go corner movement, I could go back out there. That's the reason why it is possible for me to give you the response at this very point in time. But with time, as God may have it with time, the dust will be settled. No matter what, as a fallback or forefront or 40, on our hand, because I have a whole matter. 1 month at one, GRC 1 month at one, 1 month at one. So, we have, but it was easy. But the name of it was easy because we should not do Biafra Unite or some years. I don't have who was involved to me. Whenever Biafra Unite, I would have something is wrong song.
In an air.
No, I'm not going to have I'm going to good time. I'm going to have
somebody song here. Okay, now I hate Pala over about So police software, and if you level that, all these things, because I put that car all at all. Because I put that because one of them worried, I've been seriously worried, and they watch here for the past 2 weeks. I'm just here, but I'm not listening. I'm not watching the internet. Because here, all this guy here, what is guy?
I'm I don't know who's on I go from my own boy. I don't know. But we can't walk like this.
The annoying part is that this woman used her platform to market, advertise this CRC, Fourth Deeper Republic, and all that nonsense. Today, she's now mocking the victim of her own preachings. You see, why the man is talking, showing concern, this woman was actually laughing at him. I don't know, but I said it in my main platform. Some of you that have watched that, so it's just a kind of a reminder of what happened, what transpired, because this is voice of a Biafran disunite, telling you that he's no longer, you need to be sure. So you were not sure, because you have never for once be sure of what you are saying. You always want to talk without evidence. That's how Okisofaya become Ngozola versus general. Some of you, honestly. Anyway, hear him, hear the Iwa instruction at the man.
How many people now? They will any other place because all about the men are YouTube. After some people gather and watch, they may want dressing. They go quick, when you get to that YouTube, join your now contribution. But I'm telling you, I'm watching no more. All go confidential document. You can't bring it out to the public. So this is not going well. It's not going well. Because people going to social media. But Bible cannot do it alone. Even if I'm preaching in English contribution,
that is it. So I just want to bring it to you so that you can hear, how the whole thing started and the nonsense thing that came out from this Biafran disunite mouth after lying and reading chatter. And these are people that they always have something to tell you. They know everything. They can tell you everything without evidence. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. I just want to react on this because yesterday I was not aware. In fact, I have not listened to this part of conversion of Biafra disunite. So I have to bring it on to you now and make sure that you connect it with what Ochat said on her own platform. Their group are now running Yeta scatter. Let's just watch and see how the whole thing will go. And the fight between Eggman and Nwayi and all of them are just starting, press up. A lot is going to unfold anytime soon. Just keep your eyes on that. Please subscribe to the channel and put your comment. Let me know what you take. What do you know? What do you have to say to disunite? What do you have to say to you disunite? I know you have something to say. Just put it in the comment section. God bless you and see you again. Bye-bye for now. Take care.